What's the meaning of admonitory? Admonitory. 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 The term admonitory refers to something that serves to warn or caution someone about their behavior or actions, typically in an authoritative or moralistic manner. It can also imply that the warning is given with a certain level of severity or urgency. This word is often used to describe a tone or message that is intended to correct or discipline someone for their behavior. Admonitory language can be used in various settings, such as schools, workplaces, and homes, where there is a need to address issues of misconduct or inappropriate behavior.